So guys, this is how this particular bot works. It is actually paying to your Binance account. Okay, if you have Binance, just input your Binance UID right here on this withdrawal tab and just select your payment method to be Binance. If you don't have a Binance, you can create a Binance account and verify it. If you cannot verify your Binance account, you can get a friend's Binance. Okay, a friend that is not doing this can get their Binance UID and paste here and withdraw your money. Okay, you don't have to refer anyone to earn on this platform. Like I said, you don't have to refer anyone. Okay, because I've referred about, I think, how many persons? Let me click on refer, and I've referred 5 people, but I've not gotten any reward. So don't think about referrals, because I don't think referrals is going to work. So all you need to do, I'm just sharing this with my audience so that you guys can take advantage of it. Okay, so you just click on earn now, right? Click on earn now. As soon as you register, this is the only thing you need to do. You don't have to verify your account. You don't have to refer anyone. Okay, if you click on profile, there's nothing like in KYC. You just need to watch ads, and the ads are not video ads. It's not something that is going to consume your data. Okay, just click on earn now. That is where you're getting your task. So like I mentioned, I've completed 4 tasks. That means I have I've watched 4 ads. Okay, and the total task, that is the total ads available for you in a day, is 20 ads. All you need to do is click here and start task. Okay, click on start task, allow it to load. Okay, allow it to load, and you wait for it. As you can see, this thing is still running. I seen it. It's still running. By the time it gets to the end, you click on close. You click on this close. Don't click here. If you click on this close, you're going to close the ad and the app. Right? Just click on this particular cancel here. Just cancel. Right? And wait for a few seconds. And this place, they say I'm 25% close to completing this 20 ads. That's it. Just click on it 20 times and you complete your daily task. That is it. And also, to add to your balance, you can also do this daily task. Okay, this daily task, that is join NEXO official Telegram platform. Just click on join. After you click on join, you come and verify here. Just click here verify to verify that you have actually completed this task, and also do the same for this one. Okay, do the same. Come here and you verify that you have completed this task. If you have friends, you can refer them. You get 9% of their earnings. I heard so, but I have not gotten any this end. So I have not confirmed that yet. So the most important thing is that you complete 20 tasks, watch 20 ads. So let me just quickly do that. I um, just click on that, and you see, just 15 seconds. Within 15 seconds, which is a quarter of an hour, of a minute, right? Within, I'll just click on close. You see, just click on this. Don't click on the other close, otherwise you close the bot. Okay, so it was see 30%, right? I seen it. You click on it again, click on it, click on it again. So I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to pause this video and complete all the tasks. And you can see that it is very easy to do that. This is 2:17 p.m., 2:18 p.m. rather. So let me do this now. I'll just close first. Please guys, please don't make any mistake of clicking here to get your reward. All right, this is an ad. If you click here, it will take you to the ad platform where they will ask you to register or do something. Or don't click continue, don't click on claim now. All these things, they are just clickbait on this ad for you to do this thing. Just click on this cancel to close the ad. Don't click here. If you click here, you're going to close this bot. And for you to open this bot, you need to click on the link again or search for the bot. So all you need to do is just click here. When you're done watching an ad, just click there and it will close. Right, and you get your reward right here. You see, I have gone 45%. So let's see. You see, 50% now. So I'll click on start task again to continue. Right now I've watched, so far I've watched 10 ads. Okay, just click and just click and you complete it. Let me just pause this video. So far I've completed 18 tasks, right? Okay, this is 19. I've completed 19. So I need to click on start and task to complete it to the 20th. So every day you complete 20 tasks and get 20 VET, right? Minimum withdrawal is 80 VET. That means it takes you 4 days to complete 80 VET, right? And that 80 VET, you withdraw it directly to your Binance. Okay, it's listed on Binance application. It's listed on Binance Exchange. So you just withdraw it there. I say I've completed my daily task. I've completed my daily task, guys. So I'll just wait for it to be credited. And you see, I've done my 100%. So I need to wait for tomorrow again. By tomorrow, I'll be given another task, right? So I've gotten 20 VET, right? I've watched 20 ads. It's very simple, very simple. It's not a video ad that's going to consume your data that much, okay? Yeah, you earn 9% of anything your referral earns, okay? Earn 9%, right? So, but I've not confirmed that because none of my referrals has given me anything. None, I've not gotten anything from my referral. So just click on the link around this video and start it, all right? Start the bot and end by completing your daily task, watching ads. That is it. That's how this particular one works. Just try your luck and I wish you all the best. See you guys in the next video.